Hello students, I am Sandhya Rathod from Param Guru Pathshala English Medium School, Sarsa. Today I am going to discuss one of the poem from Standard 9th Beehive book, and the name of the poem is The Road Not Taken, and it is written by Robert Frost. Now let's see the introduction of the poem. In the poem, The Road Not Taken, the road symbolizes a life. The poet says that the path which we have chosen decides our future, our destination. The important message that the poet wants to give is that the choice we make has an impact on our future. Now here the poet is giving message. Okay, the poet wants to tell us that once we decide, once we choose, then we have to go on that path only, and that path will decide our future. For example, you have finished your 10th exam, you have got your very good result. Okay, now you have to decide in which stream do you want to get an admission, science or commerce. Now you have to think, okay, then only you have to take decision, otherwise you may have got some problems in future if you are not able to decide now. So that's why the poet is telling us that it decides our future. Once if you have taken science, then you have to go ahead in that field only. Okay, you cannot come back. So the poet is telling us that decide what you want, okay, and that will be impacting in your life. So the choice you have to make, okay, and that will be a very good, that should be very good choice in your life, students, because it is too important for your future. Once you decide, you cannot go back. Once you have chosen, you cannot go back. Okay, so the poet is telling us that here once you decide, you have to go on that path only, and that will be your destination. Now let's go ahead with the poem. Let's read the lines first. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry, I could not travel both. And be one traveller, long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. So in the very first line, okay, here the poet is standing at one destination. From there are two roads. Okay, now the poet has to decide on which way he wants to go, on which way he should go. Now here two roads diverge means two roads divided in a yellow wood. Here yellow wood suggests yellow leaves in a forest. It suggests autumn season. Okay, so here two roads are here. The poet has to go on one way, and the poet is telling us that sorry, I could not travel both, means he cannot go on both roads. He is alone there. Okay, so he have to choose, he have to decide, he has to decide one road. Okay, so that's why the poet is feeling sorry. Okay, the poet is telling that there are two roads, but I cannot travel on both. And be a one traveler, long I stood. So the poet was standing at that destination. He was thinking, okay, that where should I go, which path should I select, okay, on this path I should go or on this path I should go. So he was thinking, he was deciding what should I do. Okay, so as a one traveler, long he stood. Okay, for a long time he stood there. He thought about the path, because as I in the beginning, in the introduction, I told you that your choice will decide your future. So you have to choose properly. otherwise you have to regret in your life. Okay, so the poet is telling us that as a one traveler I could not travel on both paths and looked down one as far as I could. And the poet was looking at the road as far as he could, as far as he can sense. Okay, so he was watching the road to where it bent in the undergrowth. Okay, now bent means curve, undergrowth means uh, trees, too much trees are there. Okay, so here the poet was watching till he could see. Okay, till he could sense that there is a road. Okay, so here the poet is telling us that I was there, I was standing there, and I was not able to decide. And that's why here the poet is feeling sorry. He's telling that sorry, I could not travel both. Now let's go ahead. Then took the other as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear. Now here wanted wear means less traveled, though as for that the passing there. Now in another lines the poet is telling us that then took the other. See, there were two roads, one was people using. Okay, one road was used by the people and one was not used by the people, but both the roads looked fair. See here, as just as fair means both the roads looked same, there was no difference in the road. Okay, so the poet was thinking that let me took the other which people are not using and having perhaps the better claim, let me get the experience of traveling on this road, because it was grassy and wanted wear. Wanted wear means less traveled, people were not using this road for traveling. Okay, so it was a grassy and it was a wanted wear, though as for that the passing there. Okay, so the poet was thinking there it was a grassy. Now see, I have, you have seen, okay, people are walking on the grass, there will be no grass, that much people are, sinners, people are sinners, and that is the reason that if people will walk on the road on the grass, then there will be no grass. But here there was a grass and it was a wanted view. I mean it was a less traveled, and that's why the poet thought that let me took the other. Let's go ahead. Had warned them really about the same, and both that morning equally lay in leaves, no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing now way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. Now had warned them really about the same means that road was looking exactly same, and both that morning equally lay means on that morning that both roads were looking equally. In leaves no step had trodden black, so in leaves there was no step. Now trodden black means the grass which was crossed by the people, but there was no step in the grass, nobody has traveled, nobody had gone there. Okay, so that's why it was trodden black. Okay, it was not trodden black just because there was no steps of human being. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way. Okay, so the poet is telling that I kept the first for another day. Okay, so he's thinking that let me decide, let me go on this path only. I don't know how it leads to me. Okay, and the poet is telling that I doubted if I should ever come back. Okay, the poet has doubt because he's thinking that see here right now I have two roads, so I have to decide one, and if I go ahead there might be two another roads, so I have to decide one more time on which road I should travel. And that's why the poet is telling us that I doubted whether I would come back or not. Now here also the poet wanted to give us message. Once you decide, it's doubt, okay, that you may not come back again on that path. Once you have go ahead in your life, you may not come back, you cannot come back, dear students. So before deciding, think. And the poet says that please be on the path and never come back once you decide. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. Now I shall be telling this with a sigh. With a sigh means with a deep breath. Okay, somewhere ages and ages hence. Somewhere, okay, ages and ages hence means as a result. Okay, two roads diverged. I will say in a future that there were two roads diverged, and okay, the poet himself was also diverging himself according to road, and the poet has taken less traveled road, and that has made all the difference. Okay, see, it's depend on you which road do you want to choose, which career do you want to choose, which path do you want to choose. It made all the difference. Okay, it made all the difference means it will be the result of your future, it will be the result for your goal. Okay, so here if you are choosing lawyer, then it will be different for your life, it will impact your life. So according to your choice, you have to decide. So here the poet has taken less traveled means the road which people were not using. So here also, if you want to do adventure in your life, if you are really hardworking, if you want to go ahead in your life, you can also decide as the poet has decided, as the poet had decided. Okay, so according to poet, you should go on a new path, you should experience. Okay, you should think beyond your imagination, and you should do something special, and that will create difference for your life. Thank you, dear student. I hope you understood this poem.